ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ವಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರುಗಡೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಮೊದಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ವಾರೆನ್ ಬಫೆಟ್. ನಾವು ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗುರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ when we talk about Indian stock market, we have lot of successful investor. ಅದು ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಜುಂಜುನ್ವಾಲಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ದಮನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವಿಜಯ್ ಕೇದಿಯಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಮದೇವ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Now they are very successful investors. They have inspired a lot of new investors. Today I would like to discuss about the successful journey of Ramdev Agarwala, the wealth creation journey of Ramdev Agarwala. Now, Ramdev Agarwala, he is a legendary investor in Indian stock market. He needs no introduction. He is from Chhattisgarh. By profession, he is a chartered accountant in Mumbai. He is the co-founder of Motilal Oswal. He started his investment journey in 1990 with an investment amount of 1 crore rupees. In that time, Harshad Mehta was a big bull of Indian stock market. In that time, Sensex also rallied from 500 points to 1500 points. Same time, Ramdev Agarwala wealth is also zoomed from 1 crore to 30 crore. He did not book the profit. He did not exit from the market. But bull market did not sustain further because of Harshad Mehta scam. Harshad Mehta scam was out in that time. Market crashed almost 50%. Ramdev Agarwala wealth is also tanked from 30 crores to 10 crore. Still he did not exit from the market. Still he did not quit the game of bulls and bear. He holded his investment journey. Once again, in the year of 2000, share transaction were getting digital mode and there was a big IT boom in the market. Market is also rallied well. Once again, Ramdev Agarwala wealth zoomed from 10 crores to 100 crore. Still he did not book the profit. Still he did not exit from the market. He holded his investment journey. Once again, there was a huge crash in the market. Ramdev Agarwala wealth tanked from 100 crores to 30 crore. He lost almost 70%. Still he did not panic. He did not lose the hope. He holded his investment journey. Once again, in the year of 2005 and 6, there was a big bull run in the market. Once again, Ramdev Agarwala wealth zoomed from 30 crores to 500 crore. Still he did not book the profit. Still he did not exit from the market. He holded his investment. In the year of 2008, all over the world, economic recession hit very badly. All equity market all over the world crashed almost 50%. Ramdev Agarwala wealth is also crashed from 500 crores to 250 crore. Still he did not book the profit. Still he did not exit from the market. Day by day, all equity markets started to recover. Once again, Ramdev Agarwala wealth is also zoomed from 250 crores to 1800 crore. Still, he did not book the profit. Still, he did not exit from the market. He holded his investment journey. In the year of 2019 and 20, all over the world, COVID pandemic hit very badly. All equity market crashed 40%, 50%. Ramdev Agrawala wealth is also tanked from 1,800 crores to 1,100 crore. Still, he did not panic. He did not exit from the stock market. He holded his investment journey. After COVID pandemic, we got the vaccine and all equity markets started to recover. Once again, Ramdev Agrawala wealth is also zoomed from 1,100 crores to 2,200 crore. What an inspirational journey from Ramdev Agrawala. He started his investment journey with 1 crore rupees. Now he has reached to 2,200 crore. Such an inspirational journey. What will make us a successful investor? What we can learn from Ramdev Agrawala? Point number 1. Don't expect miracles in overnight. Everyone will come to stock market to get multi-bagger return with no time. But it's never ever possible. If you want to become successful in stock market, invest in a quality stocks, invest in a disciplined manner, and stay invested for a longer horizon. Ramdev Agrawala, he has taken almost 30 years to reach that level. Point number 2. Understand the power of compounding. Albert Einstein says that power of compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Of course, so the longer horizon you stay invested in a investment journey, the power of compounding will create you miracles in your investment. If you want to become successful, if you want to become rich in stock market, you don't have to need multi-bagger return. If you get a decent 15 to 20% return also, you can become rich, you can become successful. I would like to give one example. If you invest 2,000 in stock market every month for 25 years, your investment value will become 6 lakh rupees. With the 18 to 20% compounded annual growth, your market value will become almost all 1 crore rupees. That's the power of compounding. Point number 3. Courage and conviction. We all know that equity market is a highly volatility and it's very difficult to predict what's going to happen. But if you have a right knowledge about stock market, if you have a quality stocks, if you have a right investment strategy, you can wait for the longer time and you can become successful. I would like to conclude like this. In a short term, market is driven by sentiments. But in a long term, stock market is driven by fundamentals. In a long term, stock market is driven by growth. As we all know that India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world. In the next 15 to 20 years, in India, lot of growth still yet to happen. If you want to become successful in next 15 to 20 years, 2021 is the best time to invest for a longer time. Invest in a 2021 and become a successful investor in long term. Thank you. Thank you so much.